That check engine code is lying to you. It screams oxygen sensor failure, so you spend the cash. But the code is often just the victim, not the criminal.
This customer already swapped the sensor and cleared the code. 2 days later, the light is back on. The sensor wasn't broken. It was just reporting the mess. We found a hidden vacuum leak upstream sucking in air. The sensor was innocent. Stop firing the parts cannon. If you don't verify the root cause, you're just guessing with your wallet. Always diagnose the system before you replace the part, or you'll pay twice.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.